In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the Kashaka shaker. There are many different ways that you can play this instrument. You can place it in your hand and shake it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But the traditional way to play this instrument is like this. So you place your hand out, in between your middle finger and your ring finger, you put the rope. Your ring finger comes over to hold the cas ball in place. This rope comes round in between your thumb and your pointer finger. Really, you want that cas ball to be in the palm of your hand. The balls should be able to make contact with each other. So this instrument is adjustable, so we can just make a loose knot like this. And then to play it, we're going to fling this part over and we're going to go cas, so cas, cas, shake, shake. And when you're first doing this, you know, you may want to play slowly and then speed up as you get more comfortable. Shake, shake, cas, cas, shake, shake, cas, cas, shake, shake, cas, cas, shake, shake. But once you're more comfortable with it, you can then have one in the right hand, one in the left hand. So that instrument we've just played with is from Indonesia, but these Kashaka shakers are from West Africa. So to play them in both hands, we're going to do the same thing, but in reverse. Put our ring finger over, and the challenge is to try and play both instruments at the exact same time so that they knock at the same time and you shake at the same time. It may take a bit of practice, but keep going and you'll get there. So let's give it a go now. Cas, cas, shake, shake, cas, cas, shake, shake. Each instrument, when it's from a different region, also sounds very different. For example, this one sounds like this, but this one from Indonesia sounds very different. It's got a different clacking tone, and it also sounds different when you shake it. And then this one from Japan sounds even more different. So this is actually made from hemp. The balls are much bigger, which allow for better grip, much better for beginners. And it's also very easy to catch because the balls are bigger. But when you shake it, the sound isn't as loud in comparison to the other instruments, like, or. Anyway, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss the next video. And if you want to check out any of these Kashaka instruments, I will put the link in the description. Thank you so much. See you soon.